Don't let them get on your nerves, cause they don't serve you. What's up, y'all? Good morning, good day, salutations, all the things, and what's happening? It is a new vlog. Not only is it a new vlog, first of all, for you guys that don't know who I am, my name is ZeldaNadine. Welcome to my channel. This is the Beauties and Cuties gang, and I'm glad that you have stumbled upon this channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the thing, guys. I've came to the conclusion when I turn on my video for my vlogs, my camera for my vlogs, I'm noticing I'm in the car a whole lot. What does that mean? I'm on the goddamn go. Does that mean that I want to go all the time? Maybe yes, maybe no, but I always goddamn turn on this camera when I'm in the car. It's birthday week. Let's just be clear, okay? And since it is birthday week, sis has to get some maintenance done. So I'm getting ready to go and get my nails done. The last vlog showed that I was getting my nails done, but you know, that was like weeks ago. So I'm getting my nails done. I'm going to a new tech, and I know in my last vlog stated that you always keep your good nail tech, but, okay, let's talk about it. Here's the thing. My nails that I got were really cute. I had to go to a service. And I wanted something a little bit more on the quote-unquote elegant side, and that was cool. But after I looked at them for a little bit, I didn't get really what I wanted. So I went ahead and I sought out for a new nail tech. So I'm going to this place called Seven Sky, and I found this girl that does really good nails, and she's black. I was like, let me put some money in sis' pocket. Oh, just to let you guys know, and I'm gonna stop running my mouth, please follow me on TikTok, because here's the thing. On my TikTok is a lot different than my YouTube. It's more daily vlogs, aesthetically pleasing, if you like that type of thing. So it's TheZeldaNadine on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok. Anywho, let's go ahead and go get our nails done. Shop. The fact that I was dancing in the bathroom because the sink is cute, I don't know.
It takes time. Try to do the nails and do that at the same time.
Yes, I was going to bring in my my Joby stick, and I was like, I don't know. It's the first time. I'm first time client with her, so you know, she might not have liked that.
I'm gonna custom mix it. It's gonna be a darker brown, so I'm just gonna do a drop of black in this color here to give you that texture. So far here,
it's cute.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the...
Listen, I'm gonna tell y'all something fly, real fly. This new set, okay, I have finally found someone that can do my nails the way that I like them. So thank you so much, Sincere. You are my new fave. I will be coming to you all the time to get my nails. I'm going to leave her information. Her name is Sincere, okay, at 7 Sky Nails. I'm going to leave her information at the bottom of the description box because she's a beast. Look at what, listen, fall nails who? Fall nails what? Yes, exactly what I wanted. Okay? And clickability. Okay? You did that, honey. Okay? New clients. Hello? That's me. Good morning. Good day. Yes, I'm in the goddamn car again. And I'm okay with that. Okay? It's raining. Clearly you can see, look, raining. It's a raining. It's that type of day today, okay? But even though it's raining, it is still a good energy Friday. The day I get my body contoured, I'm very excited. I'm doing laser lipo because I don't want to do lipo. I'm kind of scared to go in the knife. I've been in the knife twice, okay? This is my first session, I think, of 5. I'm on my weight loss goal. Of course, I'm on a fitness journey also, right along with it, because you got to do that. But I'm super excited. I didn't think in my area they would have it in the area that I live in, but they do. So it's like, bet! Should I eat? Should I eat before I go? I don't know. Big news. I'm super excited. I got featured on YouTube on their stories. So someone's watching, which is exciting for me. Look, sis was balling and I saw that on Instagram. So thank you so much, YouTube, for posting me, because that really like had my spirits on a high. For real.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they
Pregnant.
No ma'am, I got my tubes tied, honey.
Did you?
Did not. After having that, I said, nope, I'm finished.
Way.
One and done. I am done here. I'm in here sweating like a pig. You already know. I got like 5,000 masks on.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yes, fan.
better?
Give it to me. Give it to me.
I apologize.
No, that's fine. Oh, no, it doesn't bother me.
So this is just gel that we're putting on here. I'll let you know when I start the cavitation.
Mm-hmm.
So it's ultrasound, so you're going to hear like a buzzing in your ear if it's too
Good.
okay?
Mm-hmm.
This will heat up, so if it gets too hot, please let me know.
Oh, yeah,
okay?
I got you.
So we do it nice and slow. That way the probe, the ultrasound, has enough time to actually penetrate the fat cells.
Cool.
Not hurting enough.
So, gang, I'm getting suctioned, which it actually feels like a massage. I'm loving it. Lori's doing an excellent job. I'm gonna put her information in the description box so you guys can get in contact with Miss Lori and tag her on Instagram.
We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey.
I would like to get to know you.
Lori is my favorite.
Awesome.
Yes. Yes. Understand how exciting this is to. Oh shoot! I forgot my umbrella. No, I didn't. Did I? Did I forget my umbrella? Don't tell me I forgot my umbrella. No, it's in my bag. Y'all don't understand how exciting this is. That I went and got my body contour. I've been wanting to get my body contour for so long. And y'all, this is great. I love the way everything looks in that place. And now I gotta get into the rain because it's raining. I'm back at home and Lori told me that once you are finished with your body contouring, that I would need to drink. What in the world? I need to drink water. It states that after getting a contour, drink your water. So I'm gonna drink this gallon of water, and douse this down for the day. I'm mad dehydrated. That is the truth. I am dehydrated for real. Did lose, she said, 3 inches off my waist. So my trouble area, to be honest with y'all, like my biggest trouble area is the lower abdomen because I did have a C-section. And that good C-section had me get flabbed because it's a whole nother conversation. If you want to know about my experience being pregnant and all the things, even though my son is 7. Let me know in the comments below so I can share my story. But anyway, but from what I understand, when you body contour, all of that slims out from the top to the bottom. So I'm excited about that. But I'm going to be in the bathroom a lot today because I'm drinking a gallon of water. So there's that. There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm going to be peeing a lot. Yeah. I haven't ate, so I'm going to wait the 2 hours. I'm going to give it 2.5. See, that's my problem. I just be trying to push things to the limit for no reason. And it's not asked for. Did they ask you, Zelda, to go ahead and push it? No. No. 2 hours. You want to do 2.5. So, you see it. My hair is a mess. It's not a mess. It's more like it's been washed, but I let it air dry. And what I'm learning about his hair is the fact that when I let it air dry, it does dread up in certain areas. So I'm about to wet it and blow dry it out because I need to grease it. I need to do all the things. It is technically my B-day, but I'm not partying until the following weekend. This is coming soon. So today's more chill, more self-care, and all the things. I didn't vlog yesterday just because honestly didn't feel like it. So I made the decision that I was going to chill. It's pretty late in the B-day today. I just been at a point where don't mind me, I'm just breaking out the thread. That I just want to be able to receive, you know. Whoever is going to bless me is going to bless me. Who's not is not. And I just want to live in the moment. So that's what's happening. So this is probably going to be the wildest you've ever seen my hair on this channel, period. So this is me, okay? So I mean, it's cool. And I'm cool with it. Just letting you know. But anyway, a sis is feeling good on this good birthday. I'm feeling blessed. I'm feeling excited. I don't know what happened in the last 24 hours. It may be the celebratory time. I don't know. But I've made a decision to make some big changes. And this is what I'm doing. And I'm glad that you guys are here because it's going to be a ride. It's going to be one. They don't serve you, you got to go. And I don't mean serve in the way of like, here you go, ma'am. Would you like some cocktails with that? Like, no. Like, if you're doing the most for them and they're not reciprocating, baby, they don't need to be in your life. Don't let them get on your nerves because they don't serve you. That's new for y'all. Understand what that is. Right there. Right there. That's for y'all. Enjoy it. Receive it. Put your hands up. Praise the Lord for it because that came from my spirit to yours. You're welcome.